Have you ever wondered why your mornings feel busy, but somehow not productive? You wake up early. You make your bed. You drink your coffee. Maybe you even squeeze in a workout. And yet, by noon, your focus is gone. You're tired, distracted, irritated. You tell yourself, I'm doing everything right, but deep down, it still feels wrong. Here's the truth, your morning routine might not be helping you. It might actually be quietly destroying your focus. We live in a world obsessed with perfect mornings. 5 a.m. alarms. Cold showers. 10-step routines that look great on Instagram. But here's the thing, most of those routines weren't built for you. They were built for performance, for image, not for peace or clarity. That's why so many people start their day right, on paper, but feel mentally exhausted before breakfast. Because focus doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things, in the right order. So let's talk about the morning habits that silently kill your focus, and what to do instead. You say you're just checking the time, but 5 minutes later, you're knee-deep in notifications, emails, and headlines. Your brain hasn't even fully woken up, and already, it's flooded with other people's priorities. Here's what really happens. You start your day reacting instead of creating. You give your attention to the world before you give it to yourself. And suddenly, your thoughts aren't yours anymore. They're scattered between everyone else's expectations. That's why you feel anxious before you've even brushed your teeth. Because mentally, you've already run a marathon before your day begins. Try this instead. For the first 30 minutes after waking up, stay offline. No phone. No scrolling. Just you, your thoughts, and silence. Let your mind arrive before you let the world in. You wake up early. You journal. You meditate. You stretch. You read. You plan your goals. Sounds productive, right? But here's the twist, sometimes self-improvement is just self-pressure wearing a motivational mask. You've turned your morning into a performance, something you can win or lose. And when you miss one step, you feel like you've failed. It's only 8 a.m., and already, you're stressed. You're chasing perfection instead of peace. The point of a morning routine isn't to impress your future self, it's to support your current self. So simplify. Choose 1 or 2 habits that actually ground you, not 10 that drain you. Drink water. Take a slow breath. Look out the window. Sometimes, that's all it takes to start your day centered. Ouch. This one hurts, right? You wake up groggy, reach for your mug, and think, this is life. But here's the truth, you're giving caffeine to a dehydrated brain. When you drink coffee first, your cortisol, the stress hormone, spikes. You get a quick burst of energy, sure. But an hour later, you crash. Your focus drops. Your mood dips. And now, you're fighting your body just to stay alert. You don't need to quit coffee. You just need to delay it. Drink a full glass of water first. Give your body what it needs before what it craves. That one small shift can completely change how you feel by noon. You open your laptop. You check your emails. You scroll through your to-do list. It feels like control, like you're getting ahead. But really, you've just told your brain, today is already stressful. When your first thought is, I have too much to do, your body listens. Your heart rate rises. Your focus scatters. Calm disappears. The energy you start your day with becomes the energy that carries you through it. So if you begin with chaos, don't be surprised when the rest of your day feels chaotic too. Try this instead. Before touching any task, take 5 quiet minutes. Stretch. Breathe. Just be. You're not wasting time, you're creating it. The real lesson. Here's what most people don't realize. Your morning doesn't need to look successful. It needs to feel peaceful. Because peace is what allows focus to exist. You don't have to wake up earlier. You don't have to do more. You just have to wake up better. And that starts by removing the noise, the fake discipline, the unnecessary routines, the pressure to be perfect. Ask yourself, is my morning serving me or draining me? Am I building focus or performing productivity? Because that difference, that single shift, might be the reason you feel exhausted halfway through every day. Protect your mornings like sacred ground. They're the one part of your day that truly belongs to you, before the world gets a say. Don't start by consuming. Start by connecting with your breath, your thoughts, yourself. Because when your mornings are calm, your mind becomes powerful. You don't need to fix your whole life at once. Just start with the first hour of your day. That's where clarity begins. If this message hit home, try this tomorrow morning. Before you touch your phone, take one deep breath and ask yourself, what do I need today to feel calm and clear? You'll be surprised how different your day feels when you decide how it starts. If this helped you see mornings differently, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reset. Because sometimes, changing your life doesn't start with doing more, it starts with doing less. But doing it right.